In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute yourself on Google Meet. This little trick is handy for various situations, whether you're trying to minimize background noise during a meeting or simply giving the floor to someone else to speak. By the end of this guide, muting and unmuting yourself will be a breeze, allowing for a smoother and more courteous virtual meeting experience. First off, let's get started by heading over to the Google Meet website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll notice a few options on your screen. For our purposes, you're going to click on New Meeting. This is the first step towards setting up a space where you can demonstrate or practice muting yourself. After clicking New Meeting, the next move is to start an instant meeting. You'll see this option pop up right after you choose to create a new meeting. Starting an instant meeting is as straightforward as it sounds. Just a simple click and you're almost there. This instant meeting is where you can test out muting and unmuting, so don't worry about inviting others unless you want to practice with a friend or colleague. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, muting yourself. Look at the bottom of your Google Meet window. Among the icons presented, you'll find a microphone icon. This icon is your key to muting and unmuting yourself during any meeting. To mute, simply click on this microphone icon once. You'll know you've successfully muted yourself when the icon transforms into a microphone with a line through it, indicating that your microphone is off and no sound is being transmitted from your end. To unmute, just click the icon again. It's that easy. Remember, muting yourself on Google Meet not only helps to keep meetings free from unnecessary noise, but also shows respect to the speaker by minimizing interruptions. It's particularly helpful in larger meetings where multiple participants might have background noise that could distract from the main discussion. Plus, it's always good etiquette to mute yourself when not speaking, ensuring everyone can focus on the topic at hand without any unexpected disturbances. To wrap it up, knowing how to mute and unmute yourself on Google Meet is a small but significant skill that enhances the quality of online meetings. Starting a meeting, clicking the microphone icon to mute, and clicking again to unmute provides a simple yet effective way to manage your participation. Practice this a few times and you'll find it becomes second nature, making all your Google Meet interactions more seamless and professional. And there you have it. You're now equipped to manage your audio input like a pro on Google Meet. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial.